I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. This week we spend a couple of days exploring the best of the Margaret River region.
Cape Naturaliste.
Yeah, so today we're starting off, we're kind of doing the Cape to Cape walk but in a car.
Yeah.
So we're starting off at Cape Naturaliste at the top, and there's a big lighthouse which we're probably not going to pay to go in. Then there's some rocks, Sugar Loaf, Canal, and then Injidup Natural Spa, which we may or may not go for a swim in. We'll see how busy and windy it is. And then naturally we have to end it off with a wine tasting, given we're in the Margaret River region.
So we've just got into a lighthouse precinct. It's $5 per person to come in. Choose what it is.
$15 if you want to climb.
Yeah, so we're just walking around, can have a look at the cottage. Yeah, lots of flies.
Stop number 2, the flies that come with us too, is Sugar Loaf Rock, which is I think a rock that looks like a sugar loaf.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
Lead a campaign to kill all the flies in Australia. Bullshit.
They are pretty bad. So we've just done the Sugar Loaf and we're heading towards Canal Rocks, but we're taking the four-wheel drive track between them. We haven't aired down because that involves airing up again, and we only do it if we have to. It's about 11k track. We shall see what we find. It's a bit bumpy at the moment. Justin's grumpy because there's so many flies.
I violated my sacred space.
So we're just having some lunch on the car, halfway down this track, and we're watching some of the surfers. Apparently it's a surf beach. So we're at Canal Rocks, because it's formed canal type things in the rocks.
Yep.
We're watching some crazy people go for a swim, and watching the waves.
So we're just at Injidup Point, just doing some rock hopping, trying to find this Instagram rock pool for Alex to swim in. and get
Well,
us all those
Alex,
likes.
What's on your list of things to do?
It's to get us the likes on the Instagrams.
Okay.
What do you think, Alex?
I think it's cool. I think I'm not wearing my swimming gear.
Lots of people.
You just get dumped. From natural spas to wineries. We're going to head our first winery of Western Australia. Hopefully they let us in. We haven't got a booking.
Drink some crushed grapes.
Can't wait.
White grapes or red grapes?
I think both.
Got caught up in the moment, getting lost inside emotion. Oh, I can feel you next to me, we're like the waves in the ocean.
Diving down into the lake
Me?
cave. What do you reckon, Alex?
Different.
Kind of like a sinkhole rather than a cave.
I think that's just the entrance to it.
Second set of stairs past the gates. There are two things you need to look out for. We have headache rock and splitting headache rock.
So we just did a tour of Lake Cave.
Yep.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, short and sweet, but it's got one of the largest floating tables
Yep.
and water.
None of the cave tours we've done in the past have had lakes.
Yeah, and
So
it's in
that's pretty
a doline. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, sinkhole.
In the sinkhole. Cenote. So we're just at a viewing platform on
We're in a forest.
Boranup forest. Pretty tall trees.
Yep.
I think we're going to try and find a road that drives through it on the way to wine. Wine time. I think it's always wine time. What are you doing, you weirdo? We forgot about the budget.
I'm a big boy with big needs to eat.
And wine.
Now done the Cape to Cape.
Cape to Cape in the car.
Yep.
1 cave, 2 wineries, a forest, some natural pools and a canal later. Yeah?
Yeah.
And a Sugar Loaf. Wherever a Sugar Loaf is. We're now at the old-fashioned water wheel, which we'll get out the car in a second. It's blooming windy, so you might not be able to hear us once we get out.
What makes it old-fashioned?
It's like derelict.
Oh, it's a natural water wheel.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Join us next week when we continue to explore the southwest region of WA.